Utilizing a formula of powerful solvents and soil solubilizers, Endure heavy-duty bonnet and traffic lane cleaner delivers superb performance by removing ground-in dirt and soils from carpet fibers. Whether this dual-threat product is used as a traffic lane pre-spray or as a bonnet cleaner, dirt and soils that other cleaners can't touch will be lifted away effectively and quickly, saving on time and labor costs. This professionally formulated, economically concentrated cleaner contains soil-releasing agents to bring about a new level of cleanliness and beauty to nylon, rayon, olefin, wool, and other synthetic and natural fiber commercial carpets.